Do you have too much money? Well, for the low price of 30 seconds, this bad boy can take it all away. I mean, we've all seen it. The TikTok millionaire flaunting their Rolls Royce, telling you how they became a millionaire at age 3 with this one simple trick.
How to become a millionaire by the age of 22.
Spoiler alert, they were born rich. Now, normally I'd scroll mindlessly past these, but today I thought we'd take a journey. Welcome to the crypto side of TikTok.
Guys, I'm buying a lot of crypto right now.
Crypto is crashing.
Luna, Terra, Solana.
99% of cryptocurrencies are going to zero.
Now, whenever I look at an industry, my first port of call is always old white men. Why? Because they never, and I mean never, miss. Slavery, profitable. Colonization, profitable. War in the Middle East, profitable. The bottom line is that they'll do anything for the bag. And on crypto TikTok, that's no different.
Stick with Bitcoin. Forget all the shit coins. Stick with Bitcoin. Buy a little bit every week. I don't care if it's $1, $5, $10, $100. Figure out what you can afford every week and buy it every week. Get rid of your cigarettes, get rid of your Cokes, whatever you can get rid of and spend it on Bitcoin. 10 years, if you buy some every week, you'll be a millionaire.
Since the exact date that TikTok was posted, what do you think the price of Bitcoin has done? A, risen exponentially. B, lost more than half its value. Or C, you don't follow the price of Bitcoin because you actually have a life.
You just won £1 million!
That's right, it's lost more than 60% of its value. And while there's nothing wrong with being wrong, what do you think this man's profession is?
I run Bitcoin conferences across the country.
Absolutely no points for guessing that this man's occupation is directly tied to the shilling of Bitcoin. And that brings me to my first point. 83% of the time, the finance, the crypto, the investing TikToker has something to gain from the advice that they're giving you. I know this might be mind-blowing and really hard to believe for some people, but Crypto King 74 doesn't have your best interests at heart like I do, which is why you should be liking and subscribing if you're enjoying the content. So hard to sneak that in there. Anyway, my favorite example of a TikToker having ulterior motives comes from Crypto Mason when he tells you to buy these stocks.
This is how to get rich in crypto over the next 4 years. I'm trying to say that you should invest in sustainable cryptocurrencies. These are coins like Stellar, XRP, HBAR, Nano, Algorand.
Obviously, the comments just aren't having it, and Stu Bagel notes that Mason is just shilling his own coins, which, by the way, Mason doesn't deny, and that's so crazy to me. You know, it's the internet. Nobody can verify what you're saying. Just lie, bro. Someone needs to tell him that not everything on the internet is true, and I bet you Mason probably thinks there are hundreds of single moms in his area just waiting to pick him up. Anyway, my favorite part of the whole debacle is further down, saying that his picks are quote dumb and mid, which makes me wonder which crypto picks aren't quote dumb or mid. But ulterior motives aren't the only problem when it comes to crypto TikTok. There's also biased and just flat out incomplete advice like this TikTok.
This is the best trading strategy in 2022. So what you're gonna do now is look for a cryptocurrency that had a bad week and decreased in price by a lot. So this one is gonna be really red. So good examples right now are Solana and Terra with 16 and 19% in the minus. But if we go down, also Near Protocol with almost minus 20. Now I'm gonna buy the cryptocurrency and add it to my portfolio. And now I'm gonna hold that cryptocurrency for 6 days, and here's why. Coming off a bad week, it usually takes cryptocurrencies about 6 days to come all the way up here and make you a lot of gains. After 6 days, I'm gonna sell 80% of that cryptocurrency and look for the next coin that had a bad week.
Initially, the strategy looks like it makes sense, right? The best time to buy crypto is obviously after a bad week, because then surely it'll rebound in the following week. And let's just for a second say that was the case. This guy still hasn't given us a compelling reason why it should be the case, no facts and figures, and obviously he hasn't given us a back test to see that that was the case in the past. But I think the worst part is obviously that the strategy just doesn't work. And I think Stu Bagel, who doesn't miss, this man is in every comment section dropping gem after gem after gem, said it best when he said the strategy is just buy high, sell low. No, buy low, sell high. Because if we look at the 3 stocks that he mentions, we can actually see that it's possible for cryptos to have 2 consecutive bad weeks as opposed to just 1 bad week followed by a recovery or a good week. Secondly, we can see that cryptos can have really bad weeks and plummet all the way to 0, and you're quite likely to just catch them on the way down, making your investment just as valuable as NFTs. Which is to say, absolutely worthless. I need to edit out that swear word. But to be honest, I can't really fault the guy because at least he gave a coherent strategy. The next TikTok I'm about to show you, it's just, you have to see it for yourself. Okay, we're gonna get rich trading cryptos. I feel it, I feel it, I feel it. Okay, we're starting with the graph, which is always a good thing, you know. Okay, we're drawing a line. Okay, another line, I'm feeling it. Okay, another line, a buy zone. He's definitely gonna explain what that is, right? 10%. Okay, we're getting 10%. Follow for more, what do you mean? I learned absolutely nothing from that clip. Not a single thing about crypto, not a single thing about day trading, and not what a buy zone is supposed to be. But I think that's exactly what he wanted. He wanted us to learn absolutely nothing from that clip, except for the fact that he made trading cryptos look easy. Because if he makes it look easy, then I'll think it's easy and I'll start getting into crypto trading. And then all of a sudden, I'm down 99%, wondering why the lines he taught me don't actually mean anything. For those of you that are curious, here's a quick breakdown about day trading on TikTok so that you can understand it. Essentially, most of the day trading you'll see on TikTok is either range or trend dependent. Trend trading has traders look to identify a market trend, invest in its direction, and ride it to profits. Range trading has investors using support, a price that a crypto won't drop below, and resistance, a price that a crypto won't go above, to determine investment decisions. The bread and butter that essentially separates the top day traders and the bottom day traders is how they identify these trends, support levels, and resistance levels, which generally takes years and years of practice and experience. Anyway guys, thanks for tuning in. If you've made it this far in the video, please like and subscribe, and I guess I'll catch you next time.
And the weather's so breezy, man, why can't life always be this easy? She in the mirror dancing so slick.